Hi my friends, once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I am your friend Rani Subramani. Hope all are safe and doing great. For this season, I brought for you the new manufacturing launch collections from the silk Butta weaving varieties for the wedding collections, engagement and functionals, family, traditional touch heavy border zari Butta weaving sarees from the multi silk segment where you can buy at wholesale price. Wholesale price, not only wholesale price, it's a friendly budget where you can find out quality, quantity with the color charts. When it comes to the family occasions, wedding season, wedding purchase, the resellers and the retailers, you should have this unique varieties at your business to make your customer satisfaction with better margin. So let's see the collection. So before going to video, please subscribe the channel and share the link with everyone. I brought for you the different colors and varieties. So let's see the one sample, and every sample you will find out the color charts based on 5 colors, 6 colors, depend on the product and depend on the design. Let's see. First, I start with the heavy magenta color with a beautiful color you can see over here. Copper Butta with copper border with a parrot green color with Brocade pattern. The mountain with the copper finishing with the mini borders, which is highlighted in the blouse collections. You will find out the color chart in this every set. If we talk about the next color with the peach pink with the maroon color border, Meenakari combination with the matte golden, but to highlight it, which comes on the sign of the Kanjivaram silk with this multi silk also, you can find out. If I talk about the Brasso printed Brasso pattern, I do have one of the cream color half white with beautiful parrot green with the mango leaf weaving and the light beige green color with the border matte look, which looks very classy. Coming to the next color, which is a beautiful royal blue, the dark purple with the copper finishing with the plain covered, which comes like this. This is the pattern. Every saree you can have a different buttas. Here you can see the leafy patterns, the copper finishing. This is also one of the pattern. Coming to the red color, we have a light red which goes with a peacock weaving butta with light mehndi green color combination with the contrasted color borders with the blouse color. Every saree is having a contrast color borders with the saree with the blouse also. So coming to the royal blue color with the tomato red color with the brocade pattern with the matte look borders and the highlighted with the combination of tomato red with the blouse combination, which goes at when you purchase these kind of varieties, when we wore this saree for the family occasions, it highlights it. Coming to the same even body, same even, which is a very similar, the copper color which comes to the kesar color or the dark caramel color combination. So every saree you can find out the different buttas weaving and different saree matching blouse collections also. These varieties, when you find out at the wholesale price, you are getting the quality, quantity and the color charts also friendly budget. You may travel that Surat is where you may think that why I have to travel far from the Surat city. Why I can't nearby purchase? But when you buy nearby with the dealers, the margin and the price where it differs actually. But when you directly tie up with directly with the manufacturer, you will find out the actual base price with the right product, and when you are taking to your city and your surrounding, that price will be very different. And when you are into a business and if it is a fast moving product, the margin also differs actually. But it's depend on you how you're taking your business margin based on your ideas and making your customers happy and satisfaction. So give 100% quality, service, quantity even, and the manufacturers also will give you with 100% with safe and secure. The product will reach at your right location when you're directly communicating with the online executive and dropping and placing an order based on your location, either with the city from India or out of India. When you're purchasing from out of India, ensure the Indian currency amount 1 lakh Indian online payment you can do, and you can purchase with varieties of silk or mix with segments also. Or you are doing from online India, from pan India, we do have a providing for COD options where you can purchase 20 to 25,000 minimum online order value. So let's see. Hope you enjoyed these kind of multi silk varieties. So let me know in the comments which color and which design you liked it. So regularly I am posting the new collections, new launch varieties for this season. So please quickly, before getting out of stock, place an order and try to visit once Doriwala Square building, Kesaria Manufacturers, which is 3 minutes from Surat railway station. So let me know And in comments, let me know from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me and share with everyone. Next video will meet until with new collections. Until then, take care. Bye bye.